In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches in Zillow on desktop. If your saved searches list is cluttered or you're getting alerts you no longer need, cleaning it up only takes a minute. Let's start by opening your desktop browser and going to Zillow.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're viewing the right set of saved items. If you see a Sign In button at the top, click it and log in. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In this menu, look for saved searches. On some versions of the site, it might say, View All Searches. That's the option you want. Be careful not to choose Saved Homes by mistake, since that's a different list. Once you select Saved Searches, Zillow will display all the searches you've previously saved, usually with their names or criteria and any alert settings you chose when you created them. Take a moment to find the search you want to remove. If you have many, scroll through the list until you locate the exact one. Each saved search will have actions beside it, and you're looking for the Edit option to the right of that search. Click Edit. This opens a small window or panel with details for that specific search. Inside that window, look for the Delete option. Click Delete, and Zillow will ask you to confirm that you want to remove it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once you confirm, that saved search will be removed from your list, and any email alerts tied to it will stop. If you don't see the confirmation right away, give the page a moment, or refresh to see your updated list. If the Edit button doesn't appear, ensure you're on the Saved Searches page, not inside the search results view. If you accidentally click the search name and it opens the map, just go back to the list and try again. Also, if a pop-up blocker prevents the window from opening, allow the site's pop-ups temporarily so you can access the Delete option. That's all there is to it. You can repeat the same steps for any other searches you no longer need. Keeping this list tidy helps you focus on the markets and criteria that matter right now, and you can always create a fresh saved search later if your needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting!